Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English online class. Today we are going to see our grammar part. Before class, we seen our first prose. See that else. Today grammar part. Okay, students. Let's start our class. What we used to speak. Yes, language. We should use language to convey our message in English language or Tamil language. Okay. Then we are write our exam. How will you write your exam? It's used to some passage or paragraph, essays, composition. Okay. In these is most important is bats. A group of bats is make a sentence. Okay. Yes. Today topic is a sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that it's complete in meaning. A sentence is group of word. The sentence makes with a group of word that is complete in meaning. Okay. The sentence is generally defined as a word or a group of word that expresses an idea by giving a statement. Sentence is generally defined as a word or a group of words that expresses idea by giving a complete statement. A statement. Statement means one sentence or one meaningful action or something else. Okay. Sentences are four types: assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamative. Another one is optative. Okay, optative. First one, assertive. Another name is declarative. Okay, assertive. The sentence which declares or assert. Declare means purpose or behave. The sentence which declare or assert a statement, feelings, opinions, incident, event, history or anything is called assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is declare. Declare means purpose of statement or assert means behave a statement through feeling, opinion, incident, event, history or anything is called assertive statement. Okay. And assertive sentence ends with a period. Period means full stop and can be affirmative or negative. Affirmative means positive sentence or negative sentence. Okay. For example, he is a brilliant boy. End with full stop. Okay. He is not a brilliant boy. End with full stop. He is a brilliant boy statement is positive. He is not a brilliant boy is negative. Okay. The second type is interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence contains a direct question and interrogative marks it put at the end of the statement. Sentence. Okay. Interrogative is a direct question asked to question to someone. Direct question and ended with the statement is question mark, interrogative mark. Okay. This is question mark, interrogative mark. For example, what is your name? Ended with question mark. Where do you live? With ended with question mark. Okay. For example. Third one is imperative sentence. The sentence which is used to convey. The sentence will be used to convey like command, a request or forbidden is called imperative sentence. Forbidden means inhibiting or prohibiting. Okay, it's called imperative. This is a type of sentence always denote the second person you. Okay, the imperative sentence which used to convey the message convey the sentence with a command or request or forbidden is called imperative sentence. This is the type of sentence always denote the second person you. Mostly it comes you. Okay, for example, please give your book. Refer denoted second person. Get out the class. Teacher is the first person. They said get out the class. Second person is students. Okay, it's hidden. The subject is hidden in this sentence. Okay, the imperative sentence are used to convey the statement like order, request, advice, warning or instruction. Okay, exclamative sentence. Exclamative means it's one strip and ended with full stop. Okay, an exclamative sentence makes a statement that conveys strong emotion or excitement. Exclamative sentence makes the statement is convey strong emotion or excitement. Okay, placing that tiny strip means the straight line. Okay, above a period, full stop, above means up. Okay, end of this sentence. Okay, for example, read this amazing book. Someone asked to other person, read this amazing book. It ended with the exclamative mark. Okay, the last one is optative sentence. This sentence which express a prayer, keen wish, curse, etc. is called an optative sentence. Prayer means praying for someone, wishes to someone, and sometimes we are highly anger and said curse to someone. Okay, is called an optative sentence. Generally, the optative sentence start with may wish. For example, may God bless you, wish you all success. Okay, today class we seen what is sentence. A sentence is a group of words with completing meanings and its 5 type: assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamative. Assertive means ended with full stop and it give affirmative or negative statement. Okay, interrogative sentence ended with the question mark and ask direct questions. Imperative means ended with exclamation mark or full stop. Okay, and the statement will convey the message, command, request or forbiddance, and the sentence always denote the second person you. Okay, exclamation is this is the exclamation mark and it's convey the message, strong emotion or excitement. Optative sentence which expresses prayers, keen wishes or curse and generally start with may or wish.